Hey, it's Sunfruit Danny. So I wanted to address something that I've had quite a few people mention about my teeth since me starting my YouTube channel 3 years ago. And someone made me aware that someone made a video slating vegans, and I was in it. I can't remember the YouTube channel, but I'm going to be making a critique video on it. Not because I'm offended by them, I don't care what other people think about me, but there's a lot of misinformation and untruthful things that they've said about me and other vegans as well. So stay tuned for that. That'll be coming very, very soon. So yeah, I haven't got the worst teeth, but I haven't got the best teeth. But one thing that I will mention, the first is a lot of people say my teeth are quite yellow. Yes, they do have a yellow tint to it, but a lot of the time I add warmth to the video when I'm editing the colours, which will make my teeth look a lot more yellow than they actually are. But I'm not going to add it on with this one. And yeah, my teeth are not perfectly straight here, but that was well before I was a vegan, because yeah, a lot of people saying that my teeth are bad because I am eating a vegan diet, which is complete misinformation. So yeah, my teeth were already yellow before I was vegan. They weren't perfectly straight before I was vegan, and they haven't got drastically worse since being vegan. So the reason why my teeth were bad already before I switched to a vegan diet was I was brought up on fast food, microwave meals and frozen food and all of this processed garbage. So it's very nutrient-less food, full of preservatives, additives, refined sugar and loads of other garbage that is not great for your teeth health whatsoever. And I hardly ever used to brush my teeth. I never flossed my teeth as well, and just wasn't looking after them at all. And I remember when I was a teenager, me and my friend, when we used to game, in a 24-hour period we used to drink up to 6 litres of Coca-Cola each, which is around 6 quarts. That is a lot. And then yeah, when I wasn't drinking that much, I was still drinking loads of it throughout the day and eating loads of candy and like other refined drinks and food products. And yeah, combine that with not looking after your teeth, of course it can destroy your teeth. And yeah, a lot of time I drink up to a litre of Red Bull, and yeah, just wasn't good at all. So my teeth, for the abuse that they have been put through from me when I wasn't aware of health in general, like I am now, yeah, it's not a surprise they're not the best teeth possible. But yeah, so in relation to the vegan diet, since I've been vegan, which I was about 60-70% vegan in 2013 for around 6 months, and then since after that period I've been pretty much fully vegan since then. And what I would say is I had one cracked tooth here where there's a gap missing that I'd had from about 12 years old, and then because obviously it's going to be weaker because it's got a crack in it and it was missing some of the teeth, one point when I was eating some food earlier this year it cracked more, and I tried to sort it out myself and I couldn't. I just had a lot of nerve pain, so I got that pulled out because I didn't want root canals or bridges or anything like this, because they're really, really bad for your health. So yeah, it's not ideal to get it pulled out, but yeah, it's a better option than all these other things. And then yeah, there's been one other time since I've been vegan that I've had one composite filling, and that's it. No bridges, I don't have any veneers, no implants, no crowns, no nothing else like that. So yeah, basically I've been changing up my dental routine, which I talked about a little while ago. I use Christopher's Herbal teeth and gum formula, which is brushing your teeth, and I add bentonite clay to it and xylitol as well to stop mutant S bacteria from existing in my mouth, which destroys so many people's health and their teeth as well, and your gums. So it's something to be very, very aware of. And I'm also going to start making some calcium water with calcium carbonate to rinse around my mouth, because I've heard about this and I spoke to someone the other day that's got really amazing results for it giving them the most perfect healthy teeth possible, as verified by a dentist after doing it for a while. So yeah, once I get on that, I'll keep you updated and let you know how I'm getting on with that. And I'll also be doing some other additional things to whiten my teeth very, very quickly. I've just not got round to them yet. I've had other priorities at the moment. I'm not getting the habit of doing these types of things. And also I will mention that my gums here, just here, are very, very worn down. And again, it's not due to a vegan diet. I used to have my tongue stretched. I had a piercing here and it was about 8mm wide, so it was quite wide, and it had really big balls on it, one at the bottom, one at the top, so it rubbed a lot on my gums and had negative effects on it. But I also know how to regrow them as well by applying the Christopher's Herbal and Gum Formula all around my gums at bedtime and leaving it overnight and doing this consistently. I've known people that have done this and regrown their gums fully that have receded. So yeah, I can correct a lot of damage. Obviously can't regrow my teeth, even though there has been scientists, I think it was in China, that found a way back in 2008 to take stem cells that they found within urine, implant them in people's gums and actually regrow their teeth fully. But yeah, it's not available to the public, and who knows if it ever will be, because yeah, it would make the dentistry business lose a lot of money, and yeah, they don't want that to be happening at all. And yeah, what I would say is, if you are going to go to a dentist, don't get deep cleaning done. It's really, really, really bad for you. It has a really negative effect on your health. Do not do it at all. You can really clean your teeth well at home with things such as the Christopher's Herbal Formula, should I say, with the bentonite clay and the xylitol, and there's many other different things that you can do as well. I've put many different videos on my channel, how to remove plaque and tartar and many other different things that could be on your teeth that are affected in a negative way and not making them look good, so you can research them up on my YouTube channel. So yeah, I'll keep you updated with my progress with my oral health and the changes that I make, and yeah, I'll document it and share it with you, because yeah, I'm sure it will teach you something and inspire you as well. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them down below and I'll get back as soon as possible. If you like the video, like it down below, give us a thumbs up, and please share this video with anyone that you think would love to hear about what I shared with you today in relation to my oral and teeth health and why it's not the best. But yeah, as I've mentioned, it's not due to a vegan diet. So yeah, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button down below to receive a lot more videos from me on an everyday basis, where I'm talking about my health journey and also my teeth journey, my life, and also I share with you many health remedies and many different healthy lifestyle changes that you can implement into your life to rid you of sickness and disease and give you an abundance of energy, give you best skin health, hair health, and just make you feel the best that you can feel while you're in this amazing human experience, so you can live life to the fullest rather than feeling dead inside and living a life unlived. So yeah, as always, stay happy, stay healthy, and enjoy the rest of your day. Peace.